ezinye izinto that people hear ukuthi ejele kuntswembi bese ejele kuntswembi kodwa ukuthi wena kube intswembi yazikhethela ukuthi kube intswembi for wena. Hayi ukuthi kuntswembi for anyone else and stuff like into njalo. It's highly impossible mfethu umuntu oshaya umthetho akusukela akushaye ke wena. Unless uthole iphuphu ezingazi inombolo ezenzazi inombolo okanye uma uthole inombolo yefashion namhlanje stuff like you understand yabo swenka bazokushaya ikhanda ke. You understand? Kodwa le akusinto thina singathi siyaholela ku because of thina ke mfethu esithole umthetho ngalendlela esingayiphikisi ukuthi le indlela kumele uphile ngayo. You understand? Sizokubuza kabanzi thina ukuthi umuntu ongashaya umthetho umshayelana ngoba kunesiyalo ohamba ngaso wena esithi umuntu ongaqwali okanye ongazifundeli akayifundeli inombolo ayisabelayo inombolo yagcwalisela wena bese uyamshova umshovedana.
Abantu abanjani okubela ukuthi ikazi labo lichitheke ukuthi kuphake lo mphongolo
ila maphuza bro
phela
bro umaphuza lalela njengoba sithi umaphuza uphuze lethu igazi uyo muntu mina in fact kushuthi izibuko lethu lelana i-enemy yethu leyana mfethu hayi umuntu ola mfethu i-28 is no way mfethu ngaba izibuko ngoba sinesiyalo. You understand? Unless nenombolo mfethu esingayibuki ngendlela eyodwa that's why mhlawumbe singagejana lapho nalapho kodwa futhi egcine soyicorrectisa kuphi kumaphuza mase shova futhi so ihlala phansi ngale sikopheleka banzi so there's no way igazi lakamuntu wamfethu lingafuna ukuwela emphongolweni kalotha hayi ngeke njani. So ora sharp wena mfethu ungashaya iboss yakho mfethu kuphilisayo okanye ungashaya uma wakho kuphilisayo. So umuntu ongashaya umthetho mfethu umuntu ophilisa thina. You understand? So now mthina mashova wena it's either mhlambe if ever mfethu kuba nenombolo mase sikhothisa ngawe kodwa ayikuthi inombolo eholela umunye umuntu le ayiholeli ngoba phela if ever mfethu uzoshova legazi lakhe lithisayo kushuthi ukunqola kwakho ke mina ngiphile nawo ke wena. You understand? Kushuthi noma uyimpilo kushuthi mina ngiphile nokunqola kwakho. Yikho manje phela egunya mina phezulu kumaphuza. Yikho manje mfethu uma namazibuko njengokapteni ukapteni uyona amazibuko ngidlula thina sonke ke la mfethu ngoba uma faqala kushuthi indoda ehlangahlangene noma kunini uyaqitha manje noma kunini uyasithela noma kunini uyaqosha. Yeah, like I say with this thing is political bro. Remember ijele mfethu le rana ama 27 ijele ama 27 because of ne 28 mfethu sikela yithi umhlaba. You understand thing there's nothing 28 ungayenza singayenza and 28 ukuthi show the influencer yithi ejele and stuff like I said ukuthi labantu they treat us as if like we are trash and stuff like into njalo. So thina we are there to correct. You understand this thing we are there to protect abanye abantu. It's not ukuthi umuntu angaphandle this thing as I understand it because of in the fight that are taking place in prison and stuff like into njalo leso. You understand? Good sometimes there's a misunderstanding should some chatting and stuff. I'm misunderstanding about calling stuff like whereby ungile jani no scores then now they have to do what correctly today. Mirwa kitchen boy too. Inkampe zithume ezigijima ziyaphi zishaya amaphoyisa phela. If ever ama 28 kunenombolo engabangeneli izobambeka kuphi laphana ku cross. So there's no way mfethu thina we can indulge into something esibambe during the day singabamba ekseni and stuff. We have to but sibambe this thing ekseni. You know? And then if ever into ama 26 because of remember it's 28 that has 26. Imibhalo ethu bro it's 28 and 27. You understand? It's 26 dabuka from 27. Reason why 26 dabuka from 27 is because of thina ke sama hot cop masithi sama hot cop masithi lento siyayipusha lento masithi manje impi sabompi yakhe kahle masithi we are running the prison masithi manje mfethu iphosa shova. You understand? Masithi sifuna lokhu nalokhu ejele mina kube khona. So thina this is how we protest and stuff ejele stuff by fighting. If ever we need something and stuff like we have to fight. With this kind of sizwakala. You understand this thing? So senze this thing ukuthi thina masema clock. You understand? Because remember, masema clock bro. Ema single cell. They'll take a group yakhe. A group yakhe mean to say my visit, I contact us kuyo. We have ema window and you go back to his EP group. You understand this thing? So then masema clock bro. Umuntu umele angidefend ubani ama 26. Because ama 26 bayagoqa. You understand? Whatever they do from baza. You understand? Baba bovu ngonobangela wani wethu. From amakapatini. Baba bovu ngonobangela amakapatini. They actually thina se protect ama 26 kahle stuff like some in most cases and stuff like not only ama 26 kuphela stuff like should nabantu bangaphansi kwama 26 stuff. La sibabiza ngabogqwala. Like I said ukuthi thina siphile mfethu sifuna umuntu ongashaya umthetho siphilise. we protect the person ukuthi asiphilise and stuff like yikho ngithe lento mfethu into yabantu inesintu lento inobuntu futhi my line of crime into bengizenza before and stuff kunemindeni eminingi bro whereby bengisifaka isandla you understand thing bengifaka la ngifakho benginceda la nginceda khona bro understand ngisho nasesigela zikhona igebengu mfethu esigeze nami izokutshela ukuthi nasesigela I used to protect abanye abantu and stuff like into njengalezo whereby I remember kunenye clever yami bathi uxolana and stuff like ngithanda ukubiza ngo ex stuff like into njalo ithanda ukubiza ngomanando you understand thing because of my life to him it's related to history sakamanando to MT you understand this thing so that level bethana ngibiza ngomanando because of whatever role that I played employing like stuff like into giving faith to that I mean abantu that you, if ever they can still a chance for abanye abantu baba interview bambuze ngo easy ukuthi mfethu izumuntu onjani stuff ukuthi out they are fair inokuba rough maybe rough only who's protect and stuff when you izinto zakhe but out egcina nomuntu human being and stuff like into njalo that's thing sindapansi ngihlale about 2 years when I remember 2 years something like that stuff like and ekokstart la ngahlala ngakhona kakhulu ngoba ngithe mangise kokstart and stuff ngihlale 1 year 6 months then appeal young dons and stuff like into so I had to be around bo Sonorivatere and stuff like whereby Sonorivatere that's when ngashaya inhla venue yokugcina ke yabo this thing ngise visit ke lapho kushuthi bese visit sifaka insango because of mina ngumuntu uthanda ukuzimokelela nje and stuff ngizenzela inyuku yami stuff because of ngihlala ngomqondo you understand because of I'll never know kushuthi mele ngiseve inyuku semanje stuff like you understand because of angazi impilo mangiphuma lezo ngiyamba kuma challenges into eziningi zichangeile stuff like into njengalezo ngafika ngaphandle ngistruggle which I did struggle mangifika ngaphandle futhi understand ngafika ngaphandle bro wami nginamanqaza ayithu nje kuphela stuff like you understand ngiphume ngaphandle bro wami shuthi ngikhawathekile mentally so bengikhawathekile stuff hayi ukuthi bengihlanya or anything nana shuthi impilo ngaphandle bengasayijwayele more special futhi ngisuke kokusatha into ezibhabe bese ngikhawathekile mfethu yabo shuthi bengathandi where it's crowded bengifila esifini mfethu ngizo-attend ngishaya inhlavu into enjengalezi understand so into engizama ukuyisho mfethu ukuthi ezinye izinto mfethu angizilulanga ngithi ngiyazilula kuzo kushuthi kube nabanye abantu ebangilulayo emuva and stuff like whereby igovernment yethu iyahluleka somewhere ukusinceda thina ngoba kufake ejele from there bakhipha kulahlela ngaphandle bathi izibone and stuff like understand Danda yakhabatha bro understand so mangaphandle mina bakunike umuntu uzoba naye grand and stuff uzohlala nawo phansi mina mfethu I'm grateful and thankful to uNkulunkulu and stuff to say mfethu anginayo imqondo esinax mostly gebe mfethu ezisuka ejele more especially ezisuka eminyakeni zikhawathekile masifika ngala ngaphansi ya those are facts out there you understand mostly ezisuka eminyakeni you understand masifika la ngaphandle ziya you know why zikhawathekile Yazi zikhawathekile nawe ukuthi mfethu mangavela nje insayezanyana epakile zahlanya zonke. You understand? And remember you are all sick in our heads and stuff like you understand because of this is it's in our nature and stuff ukuthi 99% of isikhathi sethu and stuff we think about sex mase amadoda. You understand? So now you're castrated and stuff like this for isikhathi eside. You understand? You have been thinking about right things isikhathi eside in a way ukuthi abanye balana namanye amadoda. You understand? Because abakhona ukuzibamba. So sibuza ukuthi lo muntu makhulana nendoda mafika ngaphandle kwenzalani ngayo. You're now taking the person to the community stuff like in a way ukuthi namhlanje amantombazana namhlanje bagcoka ama leggings akufana isikhathi sakudala. Whereby leggings bengagcoka ngenkathi le perform ngejele stuff. Lento zingakabe ngagcoka nje noma kanjani stuff. Namhlanje amantombazana namhlanje akagqoki. So lo muntu uyaphezulu ku25 years umlahlela ngaphandle stuff. I'm prepared I mean psychologically so. You understand? I'm prepared umthatha umlahlela ngaphandle. Don't you think ukuthi lo muntu ubele ejele futhi with rape? You understand? So there's nothing that we can do and stuff because even though if you try to voice out and stuff, but your voice won't reach, I mean, the people above and stuff like in the genre. So it's useless somewhere. When I self me lose back. Abanye the should more up on that side, but I'm monsters and stuff. More fear than apparently bazonda bafaz. What I'm trying to say with they need a counseling. And a serious counseling and stuff. Like, because these people, they're also turning themselves into doctors and stuff, laying apart and stuff. But for my piece, but I'm this thing of my piece. But my chief brush laying apart, they install these things of my piece in the for 5 hours. You understand? So to see good like that Abeko rights here, they're condemned. That damaged in you understand? I can tell you beside the sex and stuff. Like at least you can go to school, do something, distract yourself with something and stuff like that's thing. but iminyaka iningi le you can go to school uzucede stuff then what uzoyenzani